Let's dig into some solutions like Windows Explorer, which is where many of you are today, PDM Standard, PDM Professional, SOLIDWORKS Manage, and 3D Experience Platform. Who's a fit? What are the pros? What are the cons? And how much does data management cost? Let's start with Windows Explorer. The pros? Well, everyone knows how to use it, and it's part of your operating system. It's easy to back up your data. There's nothing to install. The cons? There's no traceability of what's happening with your data. There's no history. And a high probability of file corruption is possible in a Windows Explorer only situation. Minimal security, no processes, and it's easy to circumvent. Now, PDM Standard, the pros is it comes with every seat of SOLIDWORKS Professional and Premium. It's easy to use because it integrates into Windows Explorer. There's minimal setup and minimal cost up front. The cons are there's limited performance due to the technology it's built on, which is SQL Express. Limited capabilities when compared to the other solutions, like no data card lists, no replication to get data to different offices, no API, and you're limited to one workflow with 10 states, with single transitions between each state. There's no system integrations like ERP or your Microsoft Office or other CAD systems. Now, PDM Professional, the pros, this is a fully functional data management system. It has a very nice API, making it almost limitless to what you can do with this solution. It integrates with other products like DriveWorks, SOLIDWORKS Composer, SOLIDWORKS Electrical, and even other CAD systems. It can also integrate with ERP systems. It has data replication to maintain data access and performance even globally. It has unlimited workflows to manage just about any data source. It also makes bills and materials access flexible and convenient. The cons is this is a document-centric solution, so not great for full-on processes that don't need to be tied to a file. So SOLIDWORKS Manage. The pros are it integrates into SOLIDWORKS and PDM Professional, and it adds process management and project management capabilities. It can distill and display data through dashboards and reports from many different business systems. It's also very customizable and very powerful bills of material management, like having BOM variants and different types, or even starting a new product from a bill of material. The cons are there's no API yet. So it's very configurable, but not customizable. It does have its own UI, so it takes a little bit longer for people to learn and get up to speed with it. The 3D Experience Platform is a native cloud-based system. So the pros are quick, out-of-the-box functionality. There's no hardware requirements, no client installs. And again, this integrates well with SOLIDWORKS and Microsoft Office products. The cons are the workflows are predefined, and the performance is dictated by your web access. There's no ERP integrations yet, and there's minimal configurability. It currently only has revisioning, where PDM Standard and PDM Professional have revisioning and versioning, which is a very powerful feature. Now that you have a better understanding of the tools and their pros and cons, how much does it cost? And where is the right fit for you?